Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Nubia Neo 2, and in this video I'm going to show you how to improve audio recording quality using Dolby On app on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to open Play Store because we have to get Dolby On from here. So I'm gonna search for Dolby On. And I'm gonna install the app. As you can see, we can open the app. Here we can skip, we don't have to create account. And now by clicking this icon of microphone, we can start recording audio with way better quality than default audio recorder. So that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!